First of all, I want to say thank you to your management, to the whole team, your teammates for accepting this. You guys are going to make so many people happy. Even here, our home company, they're really excited to see all of you. Thank you. Basketball brought this event together. So this is my first love. I love this game so much, and I'm very thankful to be part of this. Excited to play with you guys in the court, to talk to you guys, and this is bigger than basketball. This is two cultures coming together. So maraming salamat, and thank you so much, and we'll see you guys soon.
Yay! So excited ko dahil ang pumuhi nila. Diba? Kayo naman talaga, kayo naman sinusubukan natin. Bakit lang dito? Kailan dito? Puro tayo lang doon ang mabasa ko eh. Pero hindi, excited ako syempre. Panibago to eh. Lagi na lang kasing kami-kami din yung magkakalaman. And syempre, excited ako makakampi sila Gerard and Team Third Floor at sa mga ibang bagong kakampi namin dito. So, yun. Let's go. Laban.
Lagi kami nagpre-prepare sa boost court and also extra training kami na ginagawa sa tulong ni Kuya Gerard sa third floor.
So, they're training right now.
I think the fans are really gonna enjoy this collaboration because I think it's the first time also na Star Magic is going global and first time namin to face a team from another country. Kaya I'm sure the fans will super enjoy us going against each other. Syempre, friendly match to. And I just can't wait to meet and get to play alongside also the Thai players. Kaya this is gonna be a very fun and interesting match.
We did the first training and it was so fun. We had so much fun training. We missed some of the players, so next time guys, huwag na kayo umaksyon para more fun. Ayan. But it was really fun. May mga pasaka-pasaka, but it's really important na may aftercare. Like always ice your arms, your legs. Lalo na ngayon mainit, diba? So, yun. So, hopefully next time, mas madami kami para mas masaya. Yes.
Good afternoon. Preparation natin. Siguro, I prepared by, syempre kailangan na sa proper state na ng mind and body, diba? Kasi if not, sasakit talaga yung katawan, katulad yung nangyari sa atin. Kasi na-end first training na naman. But, ang saya talaga, nag-enjoy. And sana yun nga, complete na tayo sana sa next training. And hindi lang yung sa training, but we also get to bother each other. Kaya, double sa totoo.
น่าจะมีการซ้อมทีมกันครับได้คุยกับพี่จอร์จพี่กวินนีโอแอสตันหรือทุกคนในทีมครับก็มีการรวมตัวแล้วว่าเดี๋ยวเราจะมีการซ้อมก่อนนะครับเพราะว่าเรารู้เลยว่าทีมฟิลิปปินส์เป็นทีมที่ค่อนข้างจะเก่งนะครับเราก็แบบว่าเราต้องเตรียมตัวดีนิดนึงในการซ้อมนะเพราะว่าเราก็คุยกันว่านักบาสฟิลิปปินส์ทุกคนครับมีแต่กล้ามไม่เย็นใช้ต้องซ้อมต้องเตรียมตัวก่อนเป็นอาทิตย์เลยครับเป็นเดือน
They said that they are really excited. They said they have been preparing and they think that they should prepare more because they think that the Philippines are really good at basketball and they got the muscles. Okay, according to them.
Yes, boss.